In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Resource Protection could not perform requested operation on Windows 10. So first thing you're going to do is go here and type in CMD. Right click, run as administrator, and then click yes. And then you're going to type in chkdsk. So space/f space/r. After that, press enter, and here press Y and then press enter. And this will basically schedule a check on your PC. So once the next time you restart your PC, it will check it. So what you can do now is simply just close this down. Now see if this fixes your issue after restarting your PC. If it doesn't, so if you're still having issues, go here and type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, yes, and type in ICACLS space C 2 dots, and then you type in slash the other one, so type in this slash, and then Windows, and then slash, and then win SXS, and then press enter, and you might have to wait for a few seconds. After that, after it loads, you can just close this, restart your PC, and see if your error has been fixed. So if you're still having issues, go here, type services, go to services, and find the Windows modules. So it should be all the way down with the W. So let's type Windows. This is the one. So it should be named Windows Modules Installer. So what you're gonna do is right click, options, and then you wanna click start. After you click start, it's just gonna load, and then it will finish the process, which then you can just close this down and see if this fixes your issue. So if you're still having issues, go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, yes, and then you want to type in DISM space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health, and then you're gonna press enter and wait for it to load. So after it loads, simply close it down, restart your PC, and hopefully your issue should be fixed.